What's going on, guys? Now, this video, there's a reason behind why I don't have a title screen. I'm not gonna have an end screen. I'm not gonna have any big thing, and it's not gonna be uploaded on my normal day. But something unfortunate happened with the car, and I think we need to talk a little bit about respect. Now, I got off work, and I was talking to this girl about her 370, because she's building a 370Z, so I was talking to her about it. And I just happened to look over my car, and there's a giant, scratch on the side of my car. I don't want to think that somebody did this purposefully, because I don't talk to anybody at work. I'm still new there because I don't really need to make friends there. I'm just kind of there for a paycheck. But when a car person, parks out of the way, that usually means they kind of want people to not park next to them. And then people always have the mentality of, I want to park next to the cool car. Unfortunately, that happened to me. And again, I'm really hoping this was just an accident. But there's a giant gash down the side of my car now. I don't know how it happened or what happened. And I'm pretty upset about it. But people have no respect for anybody's belongings. I park out of the way because I don't want stuff like that to happen. And it happened. And it completely sucks because there's nothing I can do about it. I'm at AutoZone now. Hopefully I can kind of cover it up, but it's down to the primer or the metal. It's like a very deep scratch. It looked like someone got a key and just went like that to it. Again, I hope it's not purposefully, but if you see a car like that, don't park next to it. Unless you have a super nice car and you're super careful, and don't park next to it. It's not that hard, because people aren't careful. They walk by and scratch the hell out of your car. I'll show you guys a scratch in a minute, but I'm pretty upset about it. I put water on it to see if it was just a clear coat, because that's a test apparently. It's a deep scratch, and hopefully I can hide it or cover it up or something, because it's a deep one, and I'm not happy about it at all. I don't want this happening to anybody else. Unfortunately, it happened to me. But people just need to show at least some respect, or be careful. If you're gonna park next to the cool car, be careful and watch where you're going, and don't hit the car. It's not that hard. I just don't understand why people have to lack so much respect for people. It's not a hard thing to do, just to avoid hitting someone's car. So I'll show you guys a scratch now, and then I'm gonna go to AutoZone. Hopefully I can get either some correction paint, or I think they have scratch paint, because that has clear coat already in it. Yeah, I'm pretty bummed out right now about this though. Yeah, you can see it really good on camera too. It's not any small scratch, it's a deep, big scratch, and I don't know how this happened. I'm pretty upset about it. Unfortunately, AutoZone did not have what I needed, so we're gonna go to Subaru to see if they have the paint or the touch-up tool, because it's color code specific, and they just didn't carry that at AutoZone. I'm not gonna make a video about me actually fixing the scratch, because I just kind of want to get it done, and I kind of just don't want to have any distractions with it. I hope you guys understand that. All right, so I went to Subaru and I got the stuff that I needed. It's touch-up paint with clear coat, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad anymore. I am gonna leave you guys off here. Moral of the story, guys, just please be respectful to other people's cars. If you see someone parked in the back, just try to avoid parking next to them. Don't park next to the car just because it's cool looking or something. Sorry about this video. It's not going to be on a normal upload day. You guys are already aware of that. Alright guys, peace out.